Hello, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to quickly export from Premiere Pro. Now once you've finished your project and everything's looking good, all you need to do is go to File, Export, Media, or Control M for the keyboard shortcut. Now this page can look a bit confusing, but all you really need to do here is select your format. You can select many different types of formats if you just want to export a screenshot from the video, or just the audio files you can select JPEG or MP3, but for this we want you to export in H.264. Scroll through and make sure that everything's looking how it should, and then we want you to select your preset. Again, big drop down list here, but all we want you to pick most likely is 1080p. Okay, now this next part is very important because people often find that they export their video and then they can't find where it's been saved. So you want to go to output name and click on the highlighted blue text. It's usually going to be called sequence 1 or something like that, named after your project file. And then just find where you want to save it. For this one we'll call it example. And that will have changed, and that will be where your finished video will be located. Make sure that you've got export video and export audio ticked, and then you just want to go ahead and select render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. This will give you the best output for your video. Okay, and once that's all checked, we can go ahead and click the export button, and you'll see that the video is now encoding. This can take a while. What will usually speed up this process is if you render your project before you go to export your video. Okay, and there we can see that the video has exported successfully. So you can just go ahead into your documents or wherever you've chosen to save your file. And there is your finished video. You probably want to check through this just to make sure that it hasn't glitched out in the exporting process. And if so, you'll probably want to export that again. But most likely, it'll be totally fine and be ready for you to upload wherever you're wanting it to go.